Hey everybody, it's Neil and I needed some new shampoo, and so with my hair being thin and whatnot, I got myself some hair growth shampoo that I can't open the box for. And there we go. Now I can. So this one here is, it says Men's Hair Growth Shampoo by Uttse. Uttse, I guess, is the brand. And let's open it up. And here, this is what it looks like here. So it comes in a cute little blue bottle, I guess, or whatever color bottle that is. And then you have a user manual. I'm just going to look at it real quick. It just says massage your hair for approximately 5 minutes in a circular motion and then rinse thoroughly. So 5 minutes, holy mackerel. But here you go. You can see all the different ingredients in there. I don't wash my hair for 5 minutes. I wash it for maybe 30 seconds or a minute. But maybe I'll try it for fun and just see. Maybe it'll get me some more hair. So super cool. Nice. Seems like it was rated well. People said it did a good job. So hopefully it will. Thumbs up.